Dr. Matthieu Clerk of Hippo Education. How are you today?
I'm doing well, Aaron. As you can see, I'm comfortably here in this 92-degree bunker that I've turned into a studio. But thankfully, I've got a storage freezer full of Otter Pops that I can crush that
That's
we got for our kids for
fantastic.
the summer.
I've got 6 elk in my freezer just in case it hits the fan, and so I want to make sure I have enough meat. But we are in, I myself am in COVID bunker number 6, which is the name we've called my house. I have children running around. We've been interrupted universally by our children 85 times in this past segment. But
Hmm.
we are here to talk about the June 2020 EP Monthly. And in particular, is it advisable to teach my replacement? It's a article by Mike Silverman, who's always doing the director stuff. It has to do with APPs. It's a two-part series. I like APPs. I'm not sure I am understanding the argument about how they're taking everybody's job, but it's a good article to focus you on perspective on what those APPs are doing for you.
I love APPs, and as far as argument, I think it's silly. Not
Yeah.
that Mike's arguing one way or the other; he's actually
No,
arguing
he's not.
for APPs, but you want to make your life easier, like
Yeah.
absolutely teach them. Just like residents, you want to have like good colleagues, and they are constantly saving our butts and helping us
Oh my
out.
God.
Like, yes, please APPs. Yes, please
Yes.
teach them and
Please
make them
APPs.
the best and smartest they can be. They will never steal our jobs. They'll just be part of the team.
It's absolutely, and I agree with you completely. I know there's a small, I think it's a tiny minority, but there's people that are very vocal on the internet about this, and I think Mike actually put some good perspective on it, which is like, hey, look, be careful how you look at it. Yeah, you can look at it like everybody's out to get you, or you can look at it like, here's what we're doing here. So, give that thing a read. Thank you, Silverman,
Yep. Thanks,
MD,
Mike.
face up.